Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with TJ. Today I got a cool video to show you about what I got over the Amazon Prime Day sales. Kind of as you can see here, I got a lot of stuff. First thing I guess to start off with, we'll start with this. So this is just a UGREEN charger. It's got 3 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A. As you can see on the side here, it's 65 watts. The plug, it has the foldable plug where fold in and out for travel. So yeah, this is just something I did recommend, and I just like to show you guys that the products I recommend I either do have heard good things about, or I will get eventually. And I guess next, to follow that up, I thought this was pretty neat. This is something I actually didn't recommend just because I've never really heard of it before, and I didn't want it to be bad. But now that I actually have it and I've tested it out and everything, I will recommend it. So it's a little keychain, you know, nothing crazy, but if you can see here, unfolds, and bam, you got a little USB-C cable. And this is actually, I think it says it right here, hard to see, it's Thunderbolt 4. So, yeah, and as you can see, it just folds up, folds up into there. And it's in there pretty good, like you've got to use some force to take it out. So yeah, I just wanted to show that off. I guess the next thing we'll do, kind of on the charging thing here, is this UGREEN MagSafe charger. So as you can see here, it's pretty thick. This is the thicker one because more battery life. I don't mind it. Has 1 USB-C port that's for in and out, so you can actually charge other devices too with this. With the USB-C cord. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It lasts a long time. So yeah, I like that. Now to get to the cool stuff. So this right here is a gaming mouse by the company, I think they're called Rapoo is their name. So that's pretty sick. It's kind of like a super light. It has, these are the side buttons, kind of what they sound like. Maybe if you guys can hear that, I don't know. Clicks are good. But yeah, it's really neat. I am going to do probably a whole dedicated review on this. This is just kind of a show and tell type of thing for now. So now the next thing I wanted to show you guys, this right here is the Raspberry Pi 5. I've have 2 Raspberry Pi 4s for my home lab setup, but this one right here is their newest version, and I plan to do a whole lot of stuff with this that I will definitely film and do a bunch of walkthroughs, tutorials, and things like that, because these devices are really cool and just what all you can do with them. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this for now. Like I said, most of these things will be getting their own review. So whatever you see here, comment down below, you know, of course, which one's your favorite. But yeah, most of these things will be getting the dedicated review. That's why I'm just kind of going through them real quick. So this is the pretty much the big purchase that I made for Prime Day. This is the Hollyland Mark IIs. I'm actually using it right now, but as you can see, so you got your receiver, mic, another mic, and a receiver for your phone, which is what I'm using. This is what the mic looks like. Very small. This is the actual mic right here, this little part where my thumb's pointing at. But yeah, it fits in this case. The case charges. I really like it. Like I said, these things, they're very cool, but I will be doing a dedicated review on them. Alrighty, yeah, so that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to let you know that, like I mentioned, this is more of just a show and tell of what I got. Not really exactly, like a review for each item, because I haven't had them for that long too, so I want to make sure I at least have them for a week or so before I at least review it. But like I said, I hope that that this video is helpful to you guys and just shows you that the items that I recommend, I either, like I said, I do either have heard good things about it or will eventually get it. But that being said, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, please hit subscribe and comment down below, you know, which item is your favorite and which one you would like to see a review on first. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.